Hey YouTube, so welcome to episode 2 of my investment journey with Trading 212. Just want to put this video out quickly before the markets open again in 6 hours time. 6.5 hours time here in the UK, they open at 8 AM. So yeah, it's quite a late one, it's now currently 22 in the morning. So I just wanted to put a video out here. This video is kind of going to serve as a baseline for how things go this week. So the idea is I'll record how things are currently looking in my portfolio on Trading 212, and then we can review that on Friday evening when the markets close again. I'll record another video then, and we can see how things have changed over the course of the week. So yeah, let's just open up just now Trading 212 on my account and see how things are looking. Things have changed since my last video. So I did my last video it was last Thursday, and I think at that point my portfolio was sitting at £100 in the plus. It's now at £68.89. So it did drop. I think the main things that dropped were the S&P 500, the Legal and General Group, and also the Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF. So yeah, things did drop. But if you watched the last video, you understand I'm not really bothered about that because I'm in this investing game for the long term, at least 3 to 5 years. So these changes, these daily, weekly changes right now aren't really bothering me because I'm thinking so far ahead. So yeah, really this is just to see how things are right just now. So like I say, portfolio is currently sitting at £3,310.43. So I've invested £3,241.54 so far, and yeah, that's currently sitting at a return of £68.89. So it's still looking good. This week I'm looking to add more to the S&P 500. So the iShares Core S&P 500 ETF here, I'm looking to add potentially £250, £300 total this week. That could all go into this one ETF alone. I really want to add more. I want to get more exposure in the American markets, and S&P 500 is a brilliant way of doing that because it's the 500 biggest companies in America. So yeah, I think my investments this week might be focused towards there. I might also add some more into Legal and General Group. I've got a lot of confidence in them based on a lot of things that I've read, and although it's not looking good for them right just now and things have dropped, it's something I'm confident they'll bounce back from. And yeah, it's extremely good price right now to get in there. So I think I'll add more in with them. Also the dividends that they pay out are currently set at, dividend yield is 9.17%, which is an amazing dividend yield, and yeah, it's always good to benefit more from that. So yeah, allocation at the moment on my portfolio, still the 5 investments. iShares Core FTSE 100 currently taking up 34.24%. The Royal Dutch Shell RDSB shares, which is important to note if you're in the UK. If you're in the UK and you want to invest in Shell, you need to get the RDSB shares, not the RDSA shares. It's to do with Dutch withholding the tax and all that sort of thing. So yeah, read up on that if you're interested. So yeah, Shell's taken up 24.5%. It's quite a big one. That was to do with the massive drop in the oil prices and stuff earlier on last week. The iShares Core S&P 500 is currently 20.46%. But like I say, come the end of next week, I think I'll definitely have managed to increase that, so it's at least quarter of my portfolio overall. Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets is still sitting at 15.17%, and Legal and General Group's 5.62%. So yeah, £3,310.43, that's what my portfolio is currently worth, and we'll see how things look come Friday. I just want to say a huge thank you to all the recent subscribers to my channel. I really appreciate it. It's been great seeing all your comments. It just proves that there's a massive interest right now in the stock market and investing in general. I do think that's all down to the whole coronavirus pandemic. Lots of people want to get involved and buy things just now whilst they're cheap because of the whole stock market crashing. Makes perfect sense. That's the exact reason I'm doing it. I figured now's best time of my life, or this was potentially the biggest opportunity of my life, to get in there and start buying things and start profiting long term in the stock market. That's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm documenting my journey, sharing it with all you guys. I really hope it benefits all of you. Seeing it from like a beginner's perspective, somebody who's never done this before. There's plenty of advice out there from experts and the so-called Wall Street experts, and there's also a lot of US based advice, which is not so useful for us guys here in the UK. So yeah, I'm loving all the UK content I'm seeing around investing right now in stock market and trading. I think it's really beneficial to all of us. One thing I will say, if you are looking to start investing in the stock market, I definitely recommend doing so. Obviously do your own research and everything still, it's definitely important. Don't go throwing away money without thinking about it, without reading plenty of stuff on it and researching what you can. If you're looking for a platform to start on, I would recommend Trading 212 because that's a platform I'm currently using, which you'll see here in this video, and you'll have seen in my last video if you watched it. I have done a whole overview on the Trading 212 app, which is what you're seeing just now. I covered that in another video, which I will link below in the description of this video, so you can check that out if you're interested. Yeah, one thing I would say, if you aren't currently signed up to Trading 212 and you're looking to sign up to them, if you sign up through my referral link, which again I'll put in the description below and the comments below, like it says here on the screen, if I invite a friend to join Trading 212, we both get a free stock share. The stock share is worth anywhere up to £100. So I'm yet to receive a free share because nobody's signed up yet through any of my links. But that's not surprising. I mean, I've only put out one video and I've not really talked much about this because I'm only just starting. But yeah, if you want to get involved, sign up to Trading 212 through one of my referral links. And I think it'll be really interesting to see what sort of shares we get. And we can kind of compare, see who got the better deal and whatnot. That would be something that would be pretty cool, I think. So yeah, again, massive thanks to everybody. Really appreciate the likes, the comments, all the views. My last video was my most viewed video so far on YouTube, and I'm hoping to continue that. I'm hoping to keep sharing everything I find useful and everything that I think is helping me. I'll pass on with in all my videos that I'm putting up. So if you like this sort of stuff, if you want to keep seeing updates to my portfolio, see what I'm doing, see what my thinking is as the weeks go by, then please like this video, click the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my other videos I'm going to be putting out there. And if you click the bell icon beside the subscribe button, once you've clicked subscribe, that means you'll get notifications every time I post a video. At the moment, I'm looking to post a video maybe twice a week. This one was purely just, like I say, so of a baseline for how things look this coming week before the markets open. So yeah, be interesting to see how the portfolio is looking come Friday when the markets close again, Friday evening. So yeah, we'll leave that here for now. If there's any questions or thoughts, if you're looking to get started and you're not sure about something, please pop me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I think really good to help everyone out. I've received a lot of help from people on other YouTube channels and I'll definitely be mentioning them in later videos. So yeah, let's just keep helping each other, keep this UK investing journey amongst everyone going, and I'll be sure to see you in the next video and hopefully you're there. Cheers again guys, and we'll see you in the next video.